got withdraw 19,260 coins, which equal to $1.93. I got withdraw in Faucet Pay. So here you can see the status paid on. Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am bringing new Bitcoin and Litecoin earning website. You can get instant withdraw from this website. In this website you can earn through auto faucet and visit PTC. We will run both in Ternux, so you don't have need to work on this website. I will show you the payment proof as well. So this website is legit. So now let's move to our video. First of all, you have required website link which given description. You can directly go from there. So here you can see the interface of this website. This website already paying 336.59 USD dollar they paid to users. So here you can see the payment proof as well. So just create account, so just click on join now, it's free. Okay, so provide here username, email address, password, confirm password, select gender, select country, solve captcha, agree terms and condition, and click on register. Your account will be created. After create account, just log in your account. Okay, here you can see my account login successful. My earning you can check. I got withdraw already, so that's why showing less earning. Okay, first of all I will show you my withdraw history. Click on menu bar, more. Okay, here is the withdrawal history. So here you can check. I got withdraw 19,260 coins, which equal to $1.93. I got withdraw in Faucet Pay. So here you can see the status paid on 7 July. So this website is legit. I got already withdraw from this website. So now here's the earning option. Faucet, short links, PTC ads, we run all in Ternux. So just click on Faucet. Okay, so now here you can see roll and lucky number. You can earn every roll 3 coin, 5, 10, 18 or 50 coin you can also earn, and you can earn jackpot as well from this website. You can see my earning as well. So this website is legit. I already claimed 30 faucets. So if you claim 30 faucets, you can get withdraw easily and you can get instant withdraw. First you have need to claim 30 faucets, but you don't have need to work on this website. We run auto faucet in Ternux. So now here you can see the withdraw method. Just click on withdraw and select wallet. You can see you can get in Faucet Pay or crypto wallet. I recommend you use Faucet Pay. Then just click on withdraw. So here you can see minimum withdraw 2000 coins which you earn in just 1 hour, and you can get withdraw easily. So now you have required script file to run this website in Ternux. So script file link given in description. You can directly go from there. In article you will see script button. Just click on the script. Script will be downloaded. After downloading the script, open your Explorer APK. Open. Then go to the download folder where you download your script file. So here you can see script file in zip format. First of all unzip it. So long press on script file, then click on more and click on extract. Okay, now script file is successful. Open the folder. Again open. So here you can see cfg.php. Open that file. So now here we have required user agent, cookies, and URL solve media. We will capture from HTTP canary. So go back and open HTTP canary. Then first of all link your web browser which you use. Then if you are a new user using canary first time, install CSTV from setting. If you don't know how to install, video link given description, you can check from there. Then just click on start and open website. Okay, just reload website. So if cookies are not capturing, so just stop your canary, then start again. Now reload again. Okay, so now here you can see reload getting time. It means cookies are capturing. So just wait for complete reload. Okay, reload is completed. Scroll down. Click on roll and win free coins. Okay, now all cookies captured successfully. Now just open canary and just stop canary, click on 3 dots and filter. Now server host, so find here frequent.cc. okay, claim frequent.cc, check it. Scroll down, here you can see API secure social media, also check it. Then go back, again back, find here claim frequent.cc/fast.html, open that file, open, right, here you can see the user agent, just long press on user agent, copied back to the script file, pasted user agent. Okay, now go back to the canary, right, left, here you can see the cookies, just long press on cookies also copied back to the script file, paste your cookies, paste. Now we have required URL social media, so go back to the canary, go back, so here you can see API secure social media challenges, open that file, open, so here you can see the URL social media link, just long press on link copied, back to the file, paste your link, okay, save. Now go back, again back, so long press on folder and click on more, then properties. Now copy full path, script location copied successfully, go back and open Ternux. So if you are a new user using Ternux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on my Telegram channel, you can copy from there, or you can DM me on Instagram, I will provide you there. Then if you don't know how to install basic command, so video link given description, you can also check. Then continue your process, cd space, paste script location, then enter ls, enter php board.php, then just press enter. Okay, so now here we have required password also given description, or you can copy that password and short in your browser, you will get password, then paste your password, then just press enter. Okay, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update about new earning website scripts and applications. Okay, then go back, also join my Telegram channel for getting latest update. Okay, so here you can see my account is connected and balance also showing. So here are two options, auto solve faucet and auto PTC faucet, so use both. So now I will just show you auto faucet, so just press enter, one, then enter. Okay, so now wait for bypass captcha, script is start to run. Here you can see bypass captcha successful and I got reward and it's added in my balance. So script is working successfully. If you want to watch more videos, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.